美國一個男人坐皇家加勒比郵輪醉酒並且被保安制服之後死亡，家屬就指控郵輪公司疏忽。
事發喺去年12月，35歲男人維吉爾同埋屋企人登上前往墨西哥嘅郵輪，佢喺酒吧等候入住房間，酒吧職員喺幾個鐘內向維吉爾提供33杯酒精飲品。
It stands to reason that he was demonstrably and obviously intoxicated, and yet Royal Caribbean kept pouring the drinks.
根據訴訟書，維吉爾飲醉後嘗試揾屋企人，但係因為迷路、情緒激動，郵輪保安於是將佢撲喺地上，用身體壓制佢，並施打鎮靜劑，又用多罐胡椒噴霧將佢制服。維吉爾幾個鐘之後死亡。訴訟書話，壓制、鎮靜劑同埋胡椒噴霧嘅組合導致維吉爾嚴重缺氧，最終引發心肺停止運作。法醫判定為他殺，死因包括機械性窒息同埋酒精中毒。有律師認為郵輪公司有一定責任。
Of course, every single passenger that goes on there also has a duty to drink responsibility, so that cuts both ways. But assuming this gentleman was served 33 drinks in a period of a couple hours, that's in dramatic derivation of well-established protocols across the cruise ship industry.
皇家加勒比發聲明話，對旅客嘅離世感到悲痛，以配合相關部門調查。由於訴訟進行緊，唔會進一步評論。